We're at Stewart's Campground in Connellsville on the Allegheny Passage bicycle trail. As you can see, the trail literally runs right in front of the campground. And what you got here is for the most part, fairly level grassy area with some Adirondack shelters. They differ in range of size, and there is 4 of them, and we've occupied one with a couple additional tents. You can see there's some other bike campers here. And this is one of the shelters. You can see we're right on the trail, which the Great Allegheny Passage is a freaking awesome trail, by the way. And you can see a nice big camp area.